this is your host Maki Olegario and welcome back to another episode of Dream Homes 101. Today I'm very excited because we're going to be unpacking one of the most luxurious and anticipated subdivisions, newly launched subdivisions here inside Crisela. Not only that, because later in time, I'm going to give you a little house tour of one of the most popular house and lots here inside Crisela, New Valley. But before that, I'm going to give you a quick drive tour from the moment you enter New Valley proper up until we get here inside Crisela. So right now, nandito tayo sa New Valley proper, no? So I'll give you a quick drive tour from the moment we enter New Valley. From the logo, kung makikita nyo dyan, nandyan yung logo ng New Valley natin. Napakalaki at napakaganda. Obvious na obvious siya pagka pumasok ka rito sa may New Valley. So currently, we are here at New Valley North. So sa New Valley North, ito yung magiging central business district natin here in New Valley. No? So nandito tayo sa New Valley North. If you have watched my previous introduction video, I mentioned there, New Valley, just FYI lang, no? So New Valley is the largest project na dinedevelop ni Ayala here in the Philippines right now. So it is actually divided into 4 segments, which are in New Valley North, New Valley Central, New Valley South, and New Valley Heights. So the good thing about this here in New Valley North, I'm going to give you a complete, not necessarily complete, pero yung understanding na rin kung ano yung mga magagandang developments na meron and updates meron dito si Ayala, no? So dito sa New Valley North, we have here the malls. Isa sa mga pinakamagagandang katangian ng New Valley is yung mga malls natin is kadikit lang din yung ganda ng nature. So kapag ka nandito tayo, we will be experiencing yung scenic views and yung experience ng lifestyle with nature. So we have here the Solinad Malls 1, 2, 3 and under construction na rin yung natin, Solinad 4 natin. So if nakapunta na kayo guys sa Greenbelt, Makati, so near Ayala, so napakaganda ng lugar doon. So yun yung Solinad, magiging similar na version ng Greenbelt dito sa New Valley. So we have here on the side, makikita mo yung Landers as well. Maraming grocery shops here na pwede kang mag-grocery together with your family. And may pagpipilian ka pa dahil nandyan din yung SNR natin. So dito sa The Sands Court, dyan ginaganap yung beach volleyball natin, yung mga international competitions natin. That's why laging fully booked yung Seda Hotel natin, yung mga hotels natin dito because of those competitions, no? And here on my left side, makikita natin yung East Block. So this is gonna be a part of yung central business districts natin dito sa New Valley. So in the future, this is going to be the same, or not necessarily the same, but magiging katulad siya din ng BGC in Makati. Magiging part siya ng Central Business District natin here in New Valley. So nandito na tayo ngayon sa Central Block. Sa Central Block, kapag makikita nyo, kapag lumingin ka sa kanan, nandyan yung itatayong the Mary Mart natin and the shops. So magkadikit lang sila. Ang maganda nito, dyan pwede ka mag-shop with your family and para yung Camp John Hay in Baguio na talagang magiging tourist spot natin in the future. And yeah, pagliko mo dyan sa kanan, nandyan ang Solara Park, yung isa sa yung pinaka maganda at luxurious nating condominium, pet-friendly condominium here inside New Valley. So right now, we still have available studio units. You can message me if you have inquiries about condominiums. So, nandyan na din yung pagliko mo dyan, pagka dumire-diretso ka, nandyan na din yung mga townhouses natin ni Amaya na kapag ka may queries kayo, you can just ask and message me. So on the left side, makikita naman natin yung Rockwell natin, no? So marami nagtatanong, ang Rockwell ba ay part ng New Valley? No po ang sagot, no. Ang Rockwell po ay nakadikit lang kay New Valley. Nakita niya yung kagandahan ni New Valley and ganun din si New Valley sa kanya. So in the future, they will enjoy the development of each other. So right now, papunta na tayo sa New Valley South. Pero dito, makikita nyo yung kapag tumingin ka straight, nakita mo yung tumbok na yan yung magiging alfresco mall natin na parang market sa BGC, no? So, yung market sa BGC, ang kaibahan lang is 8 hectares in size. So, eto yung alfresco mall natin is 10 hectares in size siya. So, definitely, it's way bigger than that of BGC's market. Okay, so kung nag-left turn ka, yung play park natin, makikita mo yung play park natin. It sits at 31 hectares in size rather. Na nandiyan na rin yung driving range natin, bike trail, and mga magagandang places na pwede mong maglakad-lakad and mag-bike dyan. So yeah, ma-enjoy mo yan. So we also have here yung Everest Academy inside New Valley, mga schools. At the same time, meron din tayo ditong Miriam College and yung Xavier School na nadaanan natin kaganina. So ang good thing about New Valley talaga is inuuna niya yung talagang kapakanan ng mga and convenience ng community natin inside New Valley, no. So sinisecure natin ng schools are there para na rin for convenience na hindi na sila lalabas ng New Valley. Dito lang sa inside New Valley, meron na tayo lahat ng kailangan nila. So dito sa kadiretsuhan na to, this is where Crisela is actually located. Dito makikita natin yung newly launched na subdivision na ginagawa under construction na rin, ginagawa na ng Ayala right now. So eto, mapuntahan natin. So this time, nandito na tayo sa view deck na malapit kay Crisela, no? So dun sa part na yon, nakalocate si Crisela. And good thing about it is that si Crisela is the smallest subdivision here in New Valley. It sits at 13.5 hectares in size. So basically, sobrang liit lang niya because Ayala Land values exclusivity. So right now, etong kinatatayuan ko, we are with this one of the most popular house and lot unit here inside Crisela. Ang kagandahan lang dito is this house is Erin model house and lot here in Crisela, New Valley. And the good thing about this is that it sits at 162 square meters, a total of minimum lot area niya. And yung floor area niya is about 95 square meters. And we also have 3 bedrooms and 2 toilet and baths. We also have a small room right underneath the stair. And the good thing more about this, you have a carport right here. And kasya na siguro dito yung dalawang sasakyan. If you have SUV and a small car right here, you can park it here. And one more thing, kapag dumating ka galing groceries from sa mga malls natin dyan like SNR, Landers, kapag ka magbababa ka, usually magbababa ka ng gamit from the back of your car. Pagbaba mo, pwede ka dumiretso doon sa back door natin, right straight to the kitchen. This is the good thing about this, no? So very convenient na rin siya. Kapag pagbaba mo ng kotse, pwede mo nang idiretso yung iyong mga groceries at the back door, diretso sa kitchen. At isa pa sa mga nagagandahan ako rito sa model ng house na to, no, at saka sa mga properties o house and lots na ino-offer o ini-establish ni Ayala rito sa New Valley, no, meron pa tayong mga spaces. It's around 2 meters pa, I guess, yung spaces natin bago ka mapunta dito sa pinaka space mo from the outside inside the house, going inside, no. So we have here the planting strip. So kung maglalaro yung mga bata dito sa labas, magkakaroon kayo ng bonding together. Malaki pa yung space na pwedeng paglaruan ng mga bata bago yung road, no? Yun yung isa sa pinakamaganda rito. So, papasukin na din natin yung house para din magkaroon kayo ng understanding kung ano yung mga deliverables niya inside. And the good thing about it, itong kinatatayuan ko rin na to, no? Deliverables na rin siya as is. Kung ano yung nakikita nyo ngayon dito sa carport natin, siya na rin yung deliverable yun natin in the future kapag ka nagkaroon ka ng property dito sa New Valley. So, diretso na tayo dito sa loob. Pasukin na natin. So, bago tayo pumasok, meron tayong porch dito. Pwede kang maglagay ng halaman dyan para din makadagdag ng aesthetic. So, welcome dito sa bare unit natin ng Erin model ng house and lot natin dito sa Cruzella, no? So, ito, high density fiber na siya. Very solid. And we also have here the windows, as you can see. So, medyo mas malaki siya than that of the usual ones. Kasi we promote then to have an opportunity for fresh air and ventilation, no? So dito, no, sobrang laki ng space. You will, as soon as you enter the door, you will be welcomed by this humongous space right here, kung saan pwede mong ilagay yung dining area mo, living area mo dito. Sobrang laki ng space, no? So we also have here the first bathroom. So as you can see, ito yung actual deliverables natin here sa first toilet and bath natin. So itong place na to, very generous na rin siya. Sobrang laki rin ng space. Although hindi siya ganun kalaki as comparison to normal rooms na nakikita natin. Pero pwede itong maging pantry area mo. At pwede rin siyang maging office room. Depende sa'yo kung ano yung gusto mong gawin. So as for the kitchen, dito makikita ninyo, very American yung standard niya. And ito na yung lower cabinet niya. Meron na rin tayong actual deliverable. Ito na yung actual deliverable natin. At may windows din tayo dito, no? Para nakikita mo yung view outside while doing your dishes and stuff. So ito, medyo maliit siya. Yung actual deliverable natin ay will be expanded pa up until dito. Mas malaki siya as comparison to this. Ito mga around 1.3 meters lang siguro. So ito yung back door natin kung saan pwede mong ipasok yung mga groceries mo from the car. Tara, akyatin natin yung second floor. So ayan, no, pakita tayo dito sa second floor. Makikita natin, ito yung flex area natin. Pag-akyat mo, makikita mo yung flex area na pwede mong paglagyan ng study area or pwedeng office area mo. Depende rin sa'yo kung paano yung gagawin mong style. Ayan. Kung mapapansin mo, meron din tayong window dito, no? Ito yung pinaka first room natin or corner room. Kung mapapansin mo, meron na rin tayong window dito. Kasi ang inaano natin, pinopromote natin is yung makapasok o mag-circulate yung air dito sa loob at ma-enjoy yung comfortable living experience mo. So this time, pasukin naman natin yung second bedroom, no? So itong area na to, ito yung second room natin. Kung makikita mo, just like from before, very spacious siya. Pwede mong ilagay dito yung kama mo, pwede kang maglagay ng table dyan, study table. At may provision na rin tayo for aircon. So window type aircon, no? Dito sa part na to. So as you can see, just like from before, ito yung actual deliverables we have here. Ito yung second toilet and bath we have here upstairs, no? Makikita nyo, ayan yung mga ano natin. Yung mga actual deliverables natin. So this time, we're gonna enter the master's bedroom na, no? So here, makikita natin as in comparison doon sa dalawang rooms na pinasok natin, eto medyo mas malaki siya. Very spacious, very distinct yung size niya. And a good thing about this, pwede mo siyang i-improve on your own style. So dito, punta natin yung balcony. So makikita natin, medyo malaki siya as compare sa mga balcony na nakita natin. Dito pwede kang maglagay ng upuan together with your husband or wife. Pwede kayong uminom ng kape o mahilig kayong magtsaa, magbasa ng book. Pwede kayong mag-stay dito. Depende kung paano nyo siya i-improve. So after we finish exploring yung bare unit ni Erin, no? Erin model, we will be going inside the fully furnished version of Erin. So pasukin na natin, no? So welcome, no, sa fully furnished version natin ng Erin model here inside Cruzella, New Valley. So eto makikita natin, ito yung foyer natin na binabanggit natin kaganina. Ito yung pinaka-suggestion, one of the suggestions din ng ating mga clients na interior design. Pwede kang maglagay dito ng base, ng portrait, pwedeng family kung gusto mo, pero eto nakikita natin mas maganda siya ng ganyan. Shoe racks, nandyan, pwede rin. And tulad ng minention ko kanina, yung malaking space, no? Dito, ginawa yung living area. So dito pwede kayong mag-enjoy, mag-bonding ng family niyo while drinking tea or coffee. Pwede kayong mag-stay dyan, happy while watching movies together, no, Netflix. So kung makikita natin yung space kaganina dito, ginawa na siyang dining room. So we also have here the sliding door na tempered glass na rin siya. So habang na-enjoy mo yung pagkain together with your family, habang nag-converse kayo with each other, na-enjoy nyo na yung food, na-enjoy nyo pa yung scenic view we have from the inside. Okay? So, ito, 6-seater siya, designed siya, siguro 6-year family, yung family members na nag-stay dito. And sa'yo, nakadepende sa'yo kung gusto mong gawing 10-seaters. May space pa naman siya from both sides, no? And kung makikita nyo pa, we have here the small room na binabanggit ko kanina. This can be a storage room. Pwedeng lagyan ng mga car tools nyo or mga tools nyo sa bahay. Like tulad ko, mahilig ako mag-crops ng mga ng something like ng kahit ano. So pwede mo diyang ipasok yung mga tools mo at saka yung mga bike mo. So sa generous space we had seen earlier, makikita natin yung kitchen. So sa kitchen kaganina, medyo maiksi siya, maybe around 1.3 meters lang siya. Pero dito, mas pinahaba na siya. So ito yung actual na improvement, no? Nakadepende sa'yo kung paano mo siya i-improve, pero ito yung haba niya. So ito yung makikita natin, ito yung lower cabinet natin. Pwede ka maglagay dyan ng mga groceries mo. Pwede rin dito sa taas. No, you can place your refrigerator right here. And dito pwede kang mag-cook. Pwede kang mag-cook dito at i-place mo rin yung cook mo rito. Nakadepende yung machine mo rito, cooking machine mo rito. So nakadepende sa iyo kung ano yung gusto mong designs or interior designs dito sa loob, no? So dito pwede mo rin siyang gawing office room, no? So yung space niya very generous naman, although medyo mas maliit siya compared sa other rooms. Pero I would say okay din siya pagka gagawin mo siyang office room. So sa bathroom naman natin, no, pinasok na din natin. Ito yung pinaka fully furnished na bathroom natin right here inside. So makikita natin, nilagyan na rin siya ng shower right here. We also have the other improvements here. So dito sa design na to, nilagyan siya ng salamin so that kapag ka nag-toothbrush ka, you're brushing your teeth, you're doing your stuff, facial stuffs, pwede kang magsalamin dito. Yun naman yung good thing dito. So dito meron ka ding mini cabinet, I would say, na pwede mong paglagyan ng mga towel mo, pamunas, yan yung mga ganyan. So dito, akyatin na natin yung second floor, no? Kung makikita natin, so andito yung fully furnished na din na stair right here. So ito medyo malawak siya as comparison sa normal na mga hagdan na nakikita natin sa ating mga bahay, no? Dito pwede kayong magkasalubong kasi kasya pa yung dalawa rito. So meron na rin tayong guardrail dito to secure yung mga bata kapag nagtatakbuhan, pwede sila humawak din dito, no? Tara, akyatin na natin yung second floor, no? So as we go along here on this path, makikita natin on my left side, nandito meron pang space. Very generous din yung space niya dito, no? So kung makikita natin, dito ginawa siyang office or like study table right here, no? Pwede ka ding maglagay ng lalagyanan ng mga libro dito, bookshelves. So maganda-ganda ng pagkakagawa, ang ganda ng idea. So ito yung furnished room natin sa unang room. Makikita natin sa corner room. Makikita natin sobrang ganda ng pagkaka-designs din dito. Meron ditong table. Designed to for kids, I would say. Kasi makikita natin puro may mga children's stuff right here. So ang good thing about this, sobrang minimalist malamang ng may-ari. So ang ganda niya, sobrang superb ng interior ideas. So dito yung window type na aircon. So we have provisions na rin for aircon. Ayan, pasukin naman natin yung ibang rooms, no? Ito yung aisle natin. Paglabas mo ng unang bedroom, we have here on my right side yung pangalawang room. So pasukin natin. So pagpasok natin ng room, no, makikita natin ito, design siya sa isang babae na mahilig sa music. Kasi ito, nakikita natin sa lamesa niya. Meron siya ditong headset, meron siyang guitar, Meron siyang guitar na ginagamit niya malamang at mukhang favorite din niya yung mga K-pop stars. So it's a good idea rin, just like from before, from the other room. So dito, no, just like yung toilet and bath natin sa baba, so fully designed na rin siya, fully furnished na rin siya. Just like yung nasa baba, ganun at ganun din yung style niya. Pero ito, iniba lang yung cabinet, pero ang ganda pa rin ng pagkaagawa niya. Very aesthetic and classy. So pasukin na natin yung master's bedroom, no? So here's the master's bedroom. Dito napakaganda rin ng design. Andito yung cabinet and very aesthetic yung design ng cabinet niya. So, we have here a generous space pa para makapaglakad ka from here to here. So, yung bedroom niya, master's bedroom na rin, sobrang laki. At ang sarap sa feeling ng meron ding bintana na nandito for fresh air and ventilation na din. So as a couple naman, no, ang gusto natin kapag gigising tayo ng umaga, sobrang relaxing at maramdaman natin yung environment natin, yung nature. Dito, ramdam mo yung hangin. Dito sa balcony na to, pwede kang maglagay. Very generous yung space niya. Pwede kang maglagay dito ng lamesa. You can also put something dito na like mga halaman at upuan together. Pwede kayong mag-converse dito together with your wife or your husband. And ang good thing about this, pwede ka ding mag-relax kapag galing ka sa work, pagod na pagod ka, dito mararamdaman mo yung relaxation dahil sa fresh air na dulot ng nature. So that's gonna be it for this episode. I hope you enjoy our video and a little house tour here inside Crisela, New Valley. So for more information about reservation details and for buying your first ever investment property inside New Valley, just contact or reach out my personal number, which is 0997-2650-593. Also, my WhatsApp and Viber that would be flashed on the screen. And also for my Facebook page, which is Dream Homes 101, and my YouTube channel, Dream Homes 101 as well. Again, this is your host, Maki Olegario from Dream Homes 101, where your dreams become a reality, one home at a time.